Hi everyone, welcome to Indian Cooking with Suganthi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Satha Vadagam. Satha Vadagam. Sadam means cooked rice in Tamil. Vadagam means something sun-dried. So we're going to make this with cooked rice and spices added to it. Whenever I go to India, I look for this in stores because nobody makes this at home anymore. Finally, I decided, let me make it. And these days are very hot in California. So I thought of making this. I made first batch. It came out really well. And I'm making this to show it to you guys. So to start with, what you need is sadam, cooked rice. You can also use one-day-old rice. One-day-old rice will have a slight fermented smell. It adds flavor. Let's start making the Satha Vadagam. Salt, less than a quarter teaspoon. Yellow powder and chili powder. It's according to your taste. I'm just adding a little bit of cumin powder. This is optional. Cumin seeds. The most important thing, curry leaves. And this is chopped curry leaves. Okay. So now mix everything nicely. So next I'm going to make like little nuggets, dry it in the sunlight. Make these nuggets a little big because once it's dry, it's going to shrink half the size. Okay, let's take it and put it in the sun outside. As you can see, I'm drying some fish to make karvada and grated mango to make mango tokku. Okay. Set. Leave it in the sun every day and dry it until it's completely dry. There should not be any wetness inside. Once it's dried, it will become very crispy, and then you can store them in a nice, clean, dry glass bottle. And it will last, several months. I also tried making Vengai Vadagam. It came out really well. And some more malaga also. It's homemade more malaga. That came out very well also. So sometime in the future, I will post the video how to make Vengai Vadagam and more malaga. This is after 3 days. As you can see, it's starting to dry. It's shrinking. And once it's completely dried, it will become very crispy and become very small like this. So these are almost fully dried ones. So the key thing is you have to make sure it's fully dried. And how long it will take to dry, that depends on the heat, how much the sun, how hot the sun is. You can store these in nice clean glass containers and they remain good for several months. Let's fry the vadagam. Heat the oil really well and keep the heat at low to medium because the inside has to cook very well. If the medium is too hot, cook it at low. Homemade fried Satha Vadagam, spicy rice krispies. Here you can see the raw vadagam before drying, and then the dried ones, and then the fried vadagam. 3 stages of the rice vadagam. Fried Satha Vadagam, fried spicy rice krispies. Instead of buying potato chips and other chips for your kids, you can make this at home for your children. They would love it. And also, this can be used as a side dish for rasam rice or dal rice, sambar sadam, or puli kodambu, vattal kodambu, or any gravy. You can use this as a side dish. During cold weather and a cold country, you can use the oven to dry the vadagams. So this batch I made using the oven. Just have to make sure that it's fully dried. Keep the oven at 100 to 150 Fahrenheit. That's all, friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I will be back soon. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.